Welcome to Study Loop.
Okay, so in this question, we're looking at an engine. We are given the heat input and the heat output, and we are asked to compute the work output along with the thermal efficiency. So we know, because of the conservation of energy, that the input of the engine has to be equal to the output. So that's 9,000 joules equals 6,400 joules plus x. And x is going to be the mechanical work that is output. So look at this equation, you could tell that the work output is going to be 2,600 joules. And for the thermal efficiency, we're going to look at the work output over the heat input. That's going to be 2,600 joules over 9,000 joules. And that is going to give you 28.88% efficiency.